National Institute for Automotive Inspection, Maintenance and Training NIAIMT Silchar Center, implemented by National Automotive Testing and R&D Infrastructure Project NATRiP under Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises, Government of India, with a vision to provide state-of-the-art training and testing facility in the automotive sector and be a model center of its services. The center is located near Silchar in the northeastern part of the country in the state of Assam. Situated at the bank of Barak River and surrounded by the world-famous Assam Tea Gardens, the city is well connected through roadways and with the new east-west corridor connecting Silchar to Porbandar, Gujarat, along with railway and age-old air connectivity with the rest of the country. NIAIMT is spread over 85 acres of land in 2 campuses. The center has 3 business units: Inspection and Maintenance Station (IMS), Driving Training Institute (DTI), Mechanics Training Institute (MTI). The Inspection and Maintenance Station (IMS) under NIAIMT, which is similar to Inspection and Certification Center or Vehicle Fitness Certification Center, is one of the first facilities of this kind in Assam as well as northeastern part of the country. The station is equipped with 4 automated inspection lanes imported from the United States of America. 2 of them are fixed inspection lanes and the rest 2 are mobile inspection lanes. IMS is an authorized center for in-use vehicle fitness test. Minimum human intervention is involved in the testing process, thus making the certification more authentic. The parameters tested for each vehicle includes gas analyzing or opacity test, headlight beam test, brake test, speedometer test, sound or noise test, suspension test, joint play test, pit visual inspections, etc. Upon completion of these tests, a fitness certificate is issued as per Form 38 of Motor Vehicle Act 1988, which is valid and recognized by all authorities throughout the country. Mobile inspection lane is a unique feature of IMS. The whole inspection lane is equipped in one single unit. The unit cab can be moved to places and it does not require any extra resources for loading and unloading. A single mobile unit is capable of testing a range of vehicles including car, UV, bus, multi-axle truck, etc. at the fixed inspection lanes too. The Driving Training Institute (DTI) under NIAIMT facilitates modern and scientific methods of training to the existing and fresh drivers and makes them aware of each and every aspect of safe and defensive driving skills. As training methodology, DTI is using classroom lectures, audio-visual materials, driving simulators, and training tracks to train the students with dual-control vehicles. The institute has advanced driving simulators which enables trainees to train with actual indicators and controls with realistic motion, driving conditions and sounds, but in a completely safe environment. The simulators can simulate various driving and environmental conditions. NIAIMT has 2 tracks dedicated for the training purpose. The plain track situated at Jaffirbond campus is of 1.2 kilometers length, wide variants of vehicles of different classes are used to train the students. NIAIMT has a hill driving training track of 1.1 kilometer length at its Dholcehera campus used for specialized hill terrain driving training. DTI provides a wide range of courses for both freshers and refreshers in light motor vehicle and heavy motor vehicle categories. Apart from regular courses, NIAIMT has provided customized courses for corporate houses and reputed organizations like BSF, Assam Rifles, CRPF, Tata Trust, ONGC, BPCL, IOCL, Tata Motors, etc. NIAIMT partnered with Automotive Skills Development Council ASDC for conducting different courses under Driving Training Institute and Mechanics Training Institute. The Mechanics Training Institute MTI under NIAIMT was established with a motto to train the youths in the ever-evolving automotive technologies and equip them with such knowledge and skills which can generate employment for them and fulfills the desired manpower requirements of the automobile industry in our country. To achieve this goal, NIAIMT has adopted modern and scientific approach in training delivery. The center has developed well-equipped laboratories, audio-visual classroom, library, sports facilities, and a dedicated placement cell to assist the trainees in acquiring jobs in different organizations. NIAIMT has joined hands and keeping close contacts with industries to excel in its services. The MTI under NIAIMT has got affiliation as Industrial Training Center or ITC, and the center has been involved in implementing government's skill development initiatives. MTI is also providing computer course, which is one of the essential skills in grabbing opportunities nowadays. NIAIMT has in-campus hostels and canteen facilities, and residential courses are being offered under DTI and MTI. Please log on to www.niaimt.in for details on all the courses being offered. We are committed in developing skilled manpower to handle the latest automobiles, creating employability among the youth, ensuring fit vehicles to play on the road. We are NIAIMT, National Institute for Automotive Inspection, Maintenance and Training, making road safer.